Hey friends, Robyn with Robyn's Southern Nest. So today I'm going to tackle my bathroom cabinets and drawers that have just gotten out of hand. Anytime I'm clearing out spaces like this, I like to completely empty the space and then kind of categorize everything, clean everything off, and then put back what I actually use. For this drawer particularly, I like to add anything that I use on an everyday basis. A lot of small items too, like Q-tips, cotton rounds, toothbrush, all that sort of thing goes in the top drawer because it's the most handy right next to the sink. And if you watched a previous video of this space, I did get these clear containers from the Dollar Tree. So that's just an easy way to stay organized, is go hit up the Dollar Tree and see what they have for their organizational trays. And you don't break the bank that way either. Then what's left on the counter, I go ahead and put in different categories and throw away anything that I have not used in a while. That way I'm not hoarding things that aren't getting used. Okay, so the next drawer in my bathroom I'm going to tackle is the makeup drawer. So I want to take everything out completely, wipe down this whole drawer. It's really dusty because makeup definitely gets everything very dirty very quickly. But one of my tips, if you do have a drawer like this, is to keep everything in a tray. That way anything that falls, like powders, liquids, it falls right into the tray and you can easily wipe it up. So after I've gotten everything wiped down and cleared out of the things that I want to keep and throw away, I'm moving on to my hair section of the bathroom. This is one of those drawers that just completely gets trashed. I just throw stuff in here. So I'm giving it a good clear out and then vacuuming it as well because it's very hairy in there. I decided to put all my headbands in this basket, and then again one of those clear organizers to keep all your rubber bands is a lifesaver. And then I did throw out a few brushes. I know I have a lot of brushes, but they all serve a purpose, if y'all know what I mean. So I had a few other items that I wanted to put in a basket. These baskets are from IKEA. So I have like my toothbrush charger, a lint thing for your sweaters. I have my steamer. So all little things that like kind of take up a lot of space. So I wanted to corral them in a basket. So I popped those into this cabinet next to my sink. And the second basket on the right has other products I don't use on a daily basis, but still want to like hold on to, like tanners, body spray, those types of products that I don't use on a daily basis. And then for the new year, I decided to pick up some new towels for this towel bar next to my sink, as well as 2 for the other side of the bathroom. And I just felt like, you know, for the new year, get some new towels. So here's just an overview of the cabinets that I've organized. I do have other cabinets and drawers in here in my bathroom, but they really weren't that cluttered looking. So I picked like the messiest ones to show you guys and to get you inspired to organize your spaces. So let me know in the comments if you're the type of person to, like, when the new year hits, you feel like you want to get organized, start fresh, open up those drawers, those closets, all those spaces that have been neglected over the year. I tend to, you know, stick stuff in places and then don't come back to it. So I think this is a good indicator that it is hard to maintain, but I'm gonna try really hard to try to put things back in their places and try to maintain this organizational setup that I have right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I always appreciate you flying by, and I'll catch you again next time. Bye y'all.